Warm greetings on behalf of Team Jbdc at this time. We have been excited just to hear the carols, and like a child I get so excited when I know it's the start of that season of celebration. It's a season for reviewing, but I want to say that while we review all the great things we did, bad and good, in the last period, I want to suggest that we look forward to new opportunities and new horizons in this new period. And Christmas gives us that opportunity when we take a little time out from our regular activities to review, to really see what we can do better in the new period. It's a really exciting journey that we can take with ourselves at this period in the year. I know that you can get a lot of exciting products at our Things Jamaican shops. And you know, we have various locations, but maybe the easiest ones for you would be Devon House and at 14 Camp Road, or of course on our e-commerce site. But what we celebrate with the over 800 suppliers to our shop is really how they cradle our culture in all the products that they provide. We have the beverages, which have a little spirit in it that can turn up things a bit. But we also have the sweets that give you sweet things from Jamaica, old time things, tambourine ball, greater cake, etc., etc. But there's the care products, all the spa treatment. I myself love so much when we can care for ourselves, and we really need to care for ourselves. So I'm suggesting that a good place to shop during this season for yourself and for your loved ones is in our Things Jamaican shops. So on behalf of Team Jbdc, I'm saying, not only enjoy the moment, the season as it is, but look forward with great hope and excitement and plan for the new period, because 2024 is going to be a great year if we decide that it's going to be so. Have a wonderful season and come back refreshed, renewed with new vision and new life and energy for an exciting 2024.